Right before your next meal or snack, take a moment to recenter yourself in an intention and do this short, guided practice. Pause and notice the food before you begin to eat. Appreciate the type of food, where the food came from, and all of the hands that it took to have these bites of food right here in front of you. Now gently close your eyes and invite a deep breath in, and release this breath out. And right before you go to take your first bite, in just a moment, think of an intention you would like to bring with you out into the rest of your day. Maybe this intention is for more balance, more ease, or greater peace of mind, or something that would be truly supportive for the rest of your day. Go ahead and set this intention now. And when you are ready, open your eyes and take your first bite.